Hello and welcome. In today's lesson, we are going to learn the Pashto letter Noor. We will practice how to write it, see which letters it can be joined with, and learn some example words that start with Noor. In our last video, we covered the letter Noon. So if you haven't watched that yet, be sure to check it out. And if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe so you can follow along with every new lesson. Let's begin. The letter Noor is like the unique letter of Pashto language, but remember this letter didn't have a lot of usage in Pashto language. Is using very P words we will be have that no is coming on it. By this reason is like the pronunciation is also a little bit difficult. People is not familiar with these letters because the usage is very less. It's the same like noon, but have this, like point at the below, and the pronunciation is pronouncing noor. Look, the previous one was noon, this one is noor. Look at the end is making the re sound, noor. Initial style is this one, middle part is coming like this one, final joint is this one, final end joint is this one. Noor in a word, for example, we have mana. Mana. Mana means apple. In a sentence, we have the mana khuram. The mana khuram. It means I eat an apple. The means I. Mana means apple. Khuram means eat. The mana khuram. I eat an apple. Look, the means I. Mana means apple. Khuram means eat. I eat an apple زمن خورم. For example, we have دامن خوږه ده. دامن خوږه ده. This apple is sweet. دامن خوږه ده. This apple is sweet. Da means this. Mana means apple. خوږه means sweet. Da means is. دامن خوږه ده. This apple is sweet. For example, we have مڼې په باغ کې ډېرې دي. مڼې په باغ کې ډېرې دي. There are many apples in the garden. Many means apples. Look, the plural. Mana was singular apple. Many is plural. په باغ کې in the garden. ډېرې many. They are. مڼې په باغ کې ډېرې دي. There are many apples in the garden. For example, we have barn. Barn. Barn means garden. The barn ته ځم. The barn ته ځم. I go to the garden. We have barn کې ډېر ګلان دي. barn کې ډېر ګلان دي. There are many flowers in the garden. barn کې ډېر ګلان دي. There are many flowers in the garden. barn کې in the garden. ډېر many ګلان flowers. They are. دا بڼ ښکلی دی. دا بڼ ښکلی دی. This garden is beautiful. دا means this. بڼ means garden. ښکلی means beautiful. They means is. دا بڼ ښکلی دی. This garden is beautiful. رڼا. رڼا. رڼا means light. په شپه کې رڼا نه وي. په شپه کې رڼا نه وي. There is no light at night. په شپه کې at night. رڼا light. نه no وي is. په شپه کې رڼا نه وي. There is no light at night. رڼا زموږ لپاره مهمه ده. رڼا زموږ لپاره مهمه ده. رڼا زموږ لپاره مهمه ده. It means light is important for us. رڼا means light. زموږ لپاره for us. مهمه important. ده is. رڼا زموږ لپاره مهمه ده. Light is important for us. Yeah, now is the time to practice all this sentence with me. I will say and you can repeat after me. The only way to learn the language is practice and practice. Let's practice again. Mana, mana, apple. The mana khurram, the mana khurram. I eat an apple. The mana khwagada, the mana khwagada. This apple is sweet. مڼې په باغ کې ډېرې دي. مڼې په باغ کې ډېرې دي. There are many apples in the garden. بڼ بڼ garden. زه بڼ ته ځم. زه بڼ ته ځم. I go to the garden. بڼ کې ډېر ګلان دي. بڼ کې ډېر ګلان دي. There are many flowers in the garden. دا بڼ ښکلی دی. دا بڼ ښکلی دی. This garden is beautiful. رڼا رڼا light. په شپه کې رڼا نه وي. په شپه کې رڼا نه وي. There is no light at night. رڼا زموږ لپاره مهمه ده. رڼا زموږ لپاره مهمه ده. Light is important for us. If you would like to learn Pashto very online, feel free to contact me. I'll got hundreds of students and deliver thousands of hours on different online platforms like Itacan quickly. You can check out my students' review there to see what they say about learning with me. If you want a complete course, you can enroll on Udemy. The link is in the description. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future lessons. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below. I'll be happy to respond. Thank you for watching and look forward to seeing you in the next lesson.